Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What I have here today is a brown and brass Hunter original ceiling fan. Dated 1988. The oil hole right there. Original canopy. That's not the original U-bracket, but I do have the original U-bracket. That was just a U-bracket that I had up there from the previous Hunter original that was in this room. It does have antique brass blade arms. That's what came with the fan when I got it. With a schoolhouse round globe. That's not original to the fan, but it honestly looks amazing on this fan. You can actually see the difference between standard brass and Hunter original brass. This one's like slightly more defined than Hunter original brass. I picked this fan up new in box from the Russian Kinger. That's what he's known by on YouTube. I picked it up from him from Fanimation. He gave me a good price on it, and I'd be a fool to turn that down. It's installed here in my grandfather's room because honestly it matches the room really well. I mean, a brown and brass fan with wood paneling. That screams 70s, late 80s, possibly 90s. And that's pretty much all I am about vintage aesthetics. But I'll turn the light on here. Really gorgeous fan. I plan on getting a swag kit for this fan to make it more of a vintage aesthetic. Right now it's on that light switch right there. I might keep the light on for the demonstration. We'll start with low. I don't have nowhere to prop the phone up, so I'll be holding the camera in this video. So yeah, I picked this up from the Russian King of Fanimation, and he said that when he got the fan, it came with these antique brass blade arms. So I'm actively looking for polished brass Hunter original blade arms. I'm looking for U-brackets though, not these standard webbed brackets. I do like the look of U-brackets or C-brackets on Hunter originals even better. Alright, we'll go to medium. I am trying to speed run this a little bit. I do have somewhere to be later on tonight. See if I can turn the light off. Normally don't really use this fan at night because my grandfather gets cold really easily, so the only time we would use it is on low and updraft just to circulate the heat in the room. Well, yeah, this never usually runs on medium or high. It runs on medium very rarely, but usually when I'm working in my grandfather's room, like cleaning it up or something, I usually turn it on medium. It's a really nice look on this fan. Get a further out view of it. Really beautiful fan for this room. And I'll show high. And like all Hunter originals, this fan holds. I will say it's not the best fan that was in this room. Probably the best fan that was in here was that Union Hugger that was in here. But honestly, this fan matches much better. And it's not like that fan was drastically better, just slightly better. But this one, obviously, its original is going to do very well, and it matches very well in this room. There's a little bit of rattling on the light kit. It's pretty silent. Turn the light on. Gorgeous fan. And I'll go spin down. Yeah, unless I get a cooler brown and brass fan, this is definitely permanent. I don't know if they made close mounted brown and brass Hunter Originals. I know they made brown. I don't know if they made the combination finish. Unless something like that pops up, this will be staying in this room. Blades are slightly dusty. But it's nothing to really be dramatic about. It does hang fairly low, but I'm never under it because the fan is right over the bed, so it's not like I'm standing under it. Alrighty, thanks for watching.